road this morning. Well, Wales anyway. Today, obviously, being in Wales, we're doing Snowdon. We're going to go up the pig track and down the miners. It's forecast for some decent visibility. It's quite fresh this morning, nippy. In fact, it's bloody cold. So it's early, about 7:30. This time of year, gotta wait till it gets light. We don't have to, but we did. We're just going to head up here, up the pig track. The four of us out with Chrissy, Sean and Wayne again. It's a lovely morning already. Let's look down the valley. Yeah. Did you hear that? I think it started. Looking clear up the top there. Might get some good views. But you never know. We may get some good views from the top. See how far we can see. It's been a lot of years since I was on the top of Snowdon. Good 15 years, maybe it's longer. Yeah, I think even though Snowdon's just over 1,000 metres tall, I think we only actually go climb 800 and just over 800 on the pig track to get to the summit. Came this way because the Lambert's path, the tourist trail, it's a bit boring. At least it's just got a bit of technicality in it. Has a nearly fall over there. I don't know if you've heard that. There's Chrissy swearing at Wayne already, we're not even a kilometre in. Take a look at you. You do what you love, it must be nice to wake up in the morning and live for yourself. I feel so bored, like everybody else. I don't know if you can see on this, we've had some rain. We've had some rain. Paths are running like rivers. Look. Sunlight on the cliffs there. I think we've hit the perfect weather window here. Weather's been horrendous all week. It's forecast to be horrendous from this afternoon for the beginning of November. Look at this, man. There's the sun coming up there. See, first weekend in November. It's lovely. One or two lakes in view. And there. A bit cloudy this summer now. Hope that passes. I think we've forecast for a bit of cloud for the first hour of the climb. Then I think it's forecast to clear up until after lunch. So still hopeful for a clear summit and some good views. And I'm glad I put waterproof socks on this morning. I'm very wet underfoot. People in the valley, they don't understand what makes it takes the breaks and forsakes a man. People in the valley, they don't understand the hands which built the roads, shoveled coal, seeds were sown, dues were owed, but goddamn didn't go to plan. I've been trying my best to be a working man. When dark clouds come, Chrissy tried to refresh himself. Surprise, 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 surprise. Miss, mountain sky, mountain sky. Tell me after a visit to the local pub last night. Try so hard to get by. I've been eking out, see
Lovely view down to the lake there. Sunshine and a style. Down there, across that bridge.
In the valley, she's been so worried. Come on down from that wretched land to please her.
So that's Crib Goch in front of us there.
Come on down, wash your
Straight ahead.
Wash your hands of that place. Why must a man break his soul on the rocks of the rivers of the mountains? Oh,
That's it there, going round there up to the summit. We drop it lower. Aye. It's gonna be braver than me to tackle Crib Goch in November, like, even in weather like this, because I can turn it in an instant. So you can see the path we'll be coming back down on down there. We'll come down Miners. We're heading that way. Straight on, you can see Crib Goch at the front.
Tell me, how did I hear this all time low?
See, I'm a little bit warm at the moment, but I'd rather be warm than cold because I feel it'll be really cold. I think it was forecast to be -6, -7 at the top. I've had a little dusting of snow a few days recently. This time of year, got my waterproof jacket on, got a t-shirt on, and I've got merino wool long sleeve base layer. Haven't got any thermal bottoms on, but I've just got long hiking pants, and I've got some gaiters on, which I'll keep the heat in a bit. I'm also carrying, in case it really got cold, I'm also carrying my down jacket packed away in my backpack, because you've got to take precautions if you're coming out this time of year, folks. You hear them two behind us arguing again. They're like Waldorf and Statler, they are. Bright sunshine over there, folks. Got a bit of sleet coming now. Hope that doesn't stay with us. Definitely getting colder as we climb, like. This time we pop over a ridge, that wind is biting. A little bit of a bridge here. The river coming down. Still, even with the sleet, and the fact it's chilly for the beginning of November, it's not bad. See, right down the valley still. There we're going. Cloud coming in and going out. Hopefully it'll be gone when we get up there. Look at the sun shining through on the side of the cliffs there. And yet, up a height there, Clag.
Pacific lovers in motion, they keep on talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. California dreaming may just be a feeling when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now.
Got bright sunshine behind us. Look at the Clag on this side. Can't even see Crib Goch on that now.
Stars burn bright outside the city limit, where the canyons are empty. Lonely nights lit by lonely companions, in a sweetness and release. Thought I saw you hiding in the
So we're Crib Goch in front of us.
You were holding the answer.
If any of you folks done Crib Goch, so let us know how you found it down below, because I've never done it myself. Or if any of you are fancy to do this again, let us know. Are you scared of it?
Out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now. All the pretty people floating like they won't come down.
nuts.
Always wait for the dust to settle before you tell me you miss me. California dreaming makes me feel when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now. California dreaming makes me feel when everything.
There's a rocky section here. Just make sure my ankles stay intact. Look at that, folks. Waterfall over there, and our path running around there. That mist shrouded ridge. Can you imagine being up there today, folks? Look at that. Getting close to the top, but the crag's still there. One is beginning to lose hope that it's going to clear. Do you spend much time in the mountains? If so, do you get many clear summits? Because I'm sure I don't. Comment down below and let us know what proportion of clear summits you get. Because I've seen a lot of clag on these tops. Saying that, the last outing, when we had that cloud inversion on top of Blencathra, I'll link that at the end. That was an amazing summit. As I mentioned a number of times in that video, it was spectacular. So if you like this one, go and check it out. Watch the end of this one first, then go and check it out. Nice and bright over there. Even that summit. It's clear. And into the clag. Looks like my hopes for a clear summit aren't being realised. A lot of clag in front of us. Really nice down the valley. Guys coming up behind us. Really nice down there. Right over here, look at it. Bloody claggy as out.
The things that you know deeply, but can never be explained. I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. And so go, take this promise for the road. If there's one thing that you know,
There's not a breath of wind going up this side. We've just met someone coming down. Seeing it's 45 mile an hour winds on the top. Must be fairly gusting from the other side of the mountain. Yeah, we've reached the point where the path joins the railway line path. Getting close to the top now. Someone on a bike. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Not bad.
Lift down. Pretty quick.
That's okay,
Yeah.
I'll hold on.
You only got 20 minutes left in your parking, yeah? I came up the Ranger path,
Yeah.
and I think I'm just going to horseshoe down. Is it redo or whatever that one's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See the summit. Check the snow.
Horse
more snow, folks.
Boy, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line. Way down that
That was Snowdon, folks. 1,084 metres. Not much of a view of the day, like.
rain. And you were rocking and reeling too. Yeah, you were rocking and reeling too.
Back out to the clag. Out of that cool wind.
It's all around this place, and Lord, it's making me cry.
There we go. Made the split. On the way down the miners path.
It's making me cry.
Down towards the lakes and along the low path there.
Places, wide open spaces. I've been
There's a scramble cup up there.
here too long. I can't
Hang on once. Another proper path now.
I'll get to you sometime.
There we go, down to the lake now. That's the worst part of the descent done. Bit of a scramble. Haven't done much recording because of that. It was a bit of a scramble that. Now we've got a bit of a relaxing walk out. That's the thing, come down the minus, do the hard work at the top, and it levels out for quite a while. Just slowly down now. Some old buildings there.
Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California.
Water flowing down off the mountain there. Into the lake. I'm not even going to try and pronounce its name, but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Look at that, it's to the tops there. Still clagged in. So it was a bit claggy on top, a bit wild. But overall, really nice walk so far. Around the corners, to be able to see down the valley in a minute.
Just did you hear that? There's a bird outside. I think it's
And down the valley. Look at that.
feels so weightless, safe and hard. Come out of here, touch us here. You know that I believe you, my dear.
There's Wayne, going to try and fall in the river. It's lovely, like, look at that. Stunning. Yeah, it's two different worlds. Weather down here, the weather was up there. So always be prepared, folks. because it can change quickly, especially at this time of year. Have a look down this valley, man.
Touch us today.
The size of this lake, the mountains. Some old buildings.
It's a far corner. The docks on the edge of town. Said the ports get foggy this time of year. It's just something you get used to living around here. She said, I don't know what to do with my life. Just take a look at you. You do what you love. It must be nice to wake up in the morning.
More waterfalls.
Live for yourself. I feel so boring. Like everybody.
There it is. Quite a bit of water underneath it at the minute. There's a catcher up there. It's up where we were. There's the top there. Up the top there, that's where we were earlier this morning. Looking down on this bridge, we're about to cross the bridge.
I said, Nick, did you hear that? Another bird outside. I think it's a hummingbird. It's a pretty rare sight. So when I'm here, lying in your arms, I feel so low.
There we go. Bridge across the lake. If it wasn't so cold, it would be nice for a bit of a dip here.
You know I found a place in this that I hold dear. I said, Nick, did you hear that? Another bird outside. I think it's a hummingbird. It's a pretty rare sight. So when I'm here, lying in your arms,
More buildings down there.
I feel so low.
And the uphill bit on the way down. How did I? When you're walking downhill, you want it to be downhill, not kick up for a little bit. We ran nearly down, lads. Road at the bottom. Sunlight in the valley. And Wyddfa. I'll pick the route up, but for now